Hold everything together. Natural sweetness, smooth texture. But you overdo me every time. One banana was enough.
I balance the whole shake. Texture, creaminess, nutrition. But go ahead. Replace me with soda.
I was fresh, juicy, perfect, and you drowned me in sugar syrup. I had flavor already.
Packed with vitamins, fiber, actual life fuel, and you still pair me with greasy junk? Drink me right, or I'm just sugar in disguise. Respect
Was real fruit once. Fresh, bold, alive. Now I'm boiled, bottled, and loaded with sugar.
I used to be fresh and free. Now I'm stuck in this sugary prison. At least appreciate the flavor. I'm the
See with that jam. I'm supposed to be balanced, not drowning in sticky sugar. Can't handle that much.
You scoop too much every time. I'm not built for this overload. Spread smarter, or I'm snapping under pressure.
You toss me in like I don't matter, but I control the entire vibe. Too much of me. Enjoy your flavor.